In this video, I will show you how to set sale prices for products with multiple variants in Shopify. First of all, open Shopify, and after that, I will click on the products option from here, click on it. And as you see from here, I have two products, and I will click on the second one because the second product have two variants. I will tap on it and I will show you how to do it in the right way. Scroll down all the way to the end, and as you see from here, we have variants, and we have a small size and medium size. And if I want to edit it, what I will do is I will tap on the first one or the second one and tap on it from here, and inside it will show up to me the variants from here, and we have the small size and the medium size. And from here, if I want to set sale pricing, from here if I want to edit it, as you see, we have the price for $7. The price of the product, I sell it for $7. And from here we have compare at price. And what does this mean, compare at price? This means, for example, the real price of this product is $17 and I sell it only for $7. And from here we have cost per item. What does this mean? For example, the cost for this item per item is cost me $3, and the profit will be $4 because I sell it for $7 and the product cost me $3, and we have remain only $4 our profit and our margin. And this is what does this mean. And we have compare at the price. If I save it from here from the right top corner and click back, tap on view from here, and as you see, the product is for $17 and I sell it only for $7. This is what is compare at the price mean. This is the original price, and now I am selling it only for $7. And I can actually do the same process with the medium size from here. If I click back and if I scroll down and tap on the variant, any variant, and after that I will click on the medium size from here and I will change it for $10 for example, and compare at the price I would make it $18. And the cost per item, if you want to do it, this is not showing up in your store. Shopify won't show this to your customers. And after that, from here, after I set the product for $10 for the medium size and the compare at the price for $18, and tap on save from here, and after that what you need to do is to click back after you save it, tap on view from here, and from here what will show up to you is, and after that tap on the pink color from here and tap on the medium, and after that will show up to you. As you see, the product you are selling it for $10 and the original price is $18. And if you want to delete this compare at the price, you click back and scroll down and tap on any variant from here, any color, and from here just leave it empty, $0, and tap on save on the right top corner. And from here the last thing I will say is you can charge tax on this variant as well. I will do the blue color as well. I will leave it empty, $0, and you can charge tax on this variant. You can enable it if you want and tap on save, and after that what you need to do is to click back and tap on view from here on this option, and as you see we delete it, we don't have it anymore, we have only the price. You see it, and basically that's it. This is how we do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.